Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke here on Aneke Budgets. Welcome all new people, all oldies but goodies. On here we do cash up and budget and paying off my debt and minding my business. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, join the family or whatever, and subscribe, get into it. Okay, so as you guys can see, we about to check my money, see where I be for the week. So 1 2 3, let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so we're starting off the video with a little switch up than how we normally did it. First we're gonna check my cash envelopes to see how much is currently in each cash envelope binder, just to see what I've spent, if I've spent anything. So I'm basically doing like a little cash review with y'all. So for this I had 10 15 16 17 18 19 $20, and so that is what I had when I did my cash stuffing. So nothing has been spent out of gas. I do have to buy my ticket that is for the month, but since I don't have a reason to use that transportation service that they offer, I haven't spent the money yet, because what if I don't go at all this month, then I'm just wasting my money on that. So I didn't spend anything out of gas this week, so that is still $20. For household, I started with $20 and I've spent $10 out of here. So I do need to write that down on my little list of things that I spent. So this was household on the 1st of September. Yeah, I spent some money. So $20, like I said, started, and now we have 10, so I have 10 more dollars left. So that's household. I completely forgot about that. I did. I did. Okay. Next is allowance. So I didn't show you guys where I put the $23 in my allowance on here, because it wasn't a part of the money that I took out the bank. But if you watch my budget with me, you guys saw the $23, and so yeah. So I deposited $23 in here, and I spent $22 apparently, because crazy. But I spent $22, so I only have $1 left in allowance, which is fine. And all of this happened on, oh well, majority of it happened on the 1st, and then I spent $8 for food on the 2nd. So I'm gonna put allowance on the 1st. Okay, so that is that. Then we have toiletries. So in toiletries, I deposited $10 and I spent $4, so I should have $6. So I have $1 2 3 4 5 $6, so that matches up. So toiletries right now has $6, which is great. And I did spend toiletries on the 1st as well. I was spending money on the 1st. Okay, hold on. Let me put this back. So spend toiletries as well. Okay, and then groceries, I didn't put anything in there, so that's 0. Hair care, didn't get anything either. And then back to bank is the last thing. So that was my cash envelopes for the week, or well, my cash envelopes and what I spent in the week, the first week of September. So now we're gonna take my budgeting book and we're gonna go ahead and fill out my calendar. Okay y'all, so I got my calendar as well as I got my stickers to account for all the spending that I did. So we are going to go ahead and start. All right, so right, as we can see, I did a lot of spending on the 1st, child. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So as we saw, I spent from my household, I spent from my allowance, and I spent from my toiletries. All of this was one trip, but different items were bought, and so yes, it basically paid for all of them. So I'm going to put down 3 stickers, because baby, okay, I'm gonna put down 3 stickers. So this is 1, okay, this is 2, second one, okay, and then I think I'm gonna put the 3rd one a little bit higher, and this is 3. All right, so I did get paid on the 1st. Let me zoom y'all in, because baby, majority of all the shenanigans and stuff that's happening is happening in the 1st week, so we was way too far. But okay, so I did get paid on the 1st, like it says here. I did have a bill due right here. Okay, and I've been writing the amounts in pink with this pink pen, so we're gonna keep the same energy. Let me get my cash envelope to do all the confirmations. So in household, right, because that was the first one, so let's do household on here. I spent $10. Yes, so I spent $10.00 for household. Then after that I spent how much is this? $11 for allowance. And then also I spent $4 for toiletry. So $4 for toiletries. Okay, so yes, I did $11 for allowance, $10 for household, and then $4 for toiletries. So that was the first day, as well as I paid a bill on the 1st. I paid my Patreon bill on the 1st of September. So those were my 3 things that happened on the 1st. Then on the 2nd, this was for my allowance. So let me just put allowance down here just so I know what envelope paid for it. But I paid $7.50 for my meal that I bought from the bowling alley, and then also I put 50 cents in like one of my little jars with my coins in it. Oh girl, here it is. So in this little jar right here I have my dollar and quarters and nickels. So yeah, so that is where I have those, and then I put the 50 cents that you guys see here in this to basically put it to the side. So yeah, but that happened on the 2nd, and that was that. I also paid a bill on the 2nd, so I paid pest control, y'all, which apparently seems to be a continuous bill that's happening. So let's just find the bills. I think they're at the back. So I think this is gonna be, because I still haven't called them yet. I still haven't called the pest people, and then by the time I was going to call them, it was what is it, what just passed, Labor Day weekend. It was Labor Day weekend, and so they weren't available anymore. And so since they weren't available, I couldn't basically tell them not to charge me. So they ended up charging me, and that was for the amount of $25, which I think is $25 every month. And then I want to say like I don't know, like a one-time payment for the actual pest control child. Woosah. But anyways, so $25 for pest control. So once we verify that, hopefully October we are not paying this, but if we are, at least we know for a fact why we're paying it. But yes, so $25 we paid for pest control. Didn't want to do it, but did it, child. Didn't want to do it, but we did it. Then we have like 3 other bills that happened on the 3rd, and she is blocking everybody, but we gonna figure it out. We gonna get it together. So 3 bills happened on the 3rd of the month. So I had my HOA bill come out on the 3rd of the month, because that was after the federal holiday, and the federal holiday was on Monday the 2nd. I also had my internet come out. That just came out because it was just time. It comes out between the 1st and the 5th of the month, so I guess it was just time and they just took it out. And then I also paid Merrick, which is my dad in Jamaica. I sent money to him. Let's go down here for her, you know, go over sis. Yeah, just cover her a little bit. So You know, you still see her full hair, child. You still see the fullness. So like I said, I paid HOA, which HOA was $50, right? I also paid my internet, which my internet was $86.44. And I also sent money to Jamaica, and that was $100. So those happened on the 3rd as well. Okay, and so literally, y'all, that was all the bills that we paid. That happened all in the beginning of the month. Nothing else really happened outside of these. And literally, I've been doing so well. I haven't spent any money any other time. So basically, for the rest of this week, we are living our no spend life. So for the 4th of September, no bill came out, no payment, no using no money happened. So this was a no spend day right here. And then also on the 5th, we didn't do anything. So we're just gonna write her up here, no spend. Okay, boom. I should have curved her, you feel me? It would have been cute. And then also on Friday, they had an event, but I didn't spend any money, so this was a no spend as well. And then also on Saturday, honestly, y'all, I'm about to go to the gym. I started going to the gym starting the 1st, so starting Sunday. And Saturday, which is today that I'm recording this, it is now 3:56 in the afternoon. I haven't gone to the gym yet, but 100% am going to the gym today. So I've completed my 5-day requirement for the gym, but I want to do the 6th day, and today would be my 6th day. So, you know, that would be awesome. But overall, I had a no spend day for today because I'm honestly not spending any money. And even though I'm 14 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time, which is when like the banks finish and close and everything, there wasn't any additional charges that happened on my account. So I literally have 4 no spend days for this week, and I literally paid a couple of my bills. I want to say majority of my bills that I budgeted for this check between the 1st and the 3rd, just with the federal holiday, child. They would have been coming out earlier, but with a federal holiday, that's what happened. But yeah, y'all, that is it for me checking in for the week to see how much money I've spent this week and what is my no spend situation, you know, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. The last thing I want to do before I leave is I just want to confirm with y'all where we are at in my 100 envelope challenge. So I have done 1 through 44. So the next number is 45, and then we go into my 50 category. And so yeah, 45 is the last number for the next what that thing called, child, for the next budget. 45 is what we're establishing, and I might do a 50 because we're going to move to 46, which is $50 goes into each of these. And then we're going to be halfway through, y'all, halfway through. But yeah, so 45 is the next one, just for us to keep on our radar. We have not gone out of budget. We have $1 in allowance, child. I was fighting for my life some days because I was like, cause I was asking for people for $1. I was like, spare change? Anybody got spare change? It's like, who? Because I'm also trying to change my diet too with this working out thing, baby. Okay, baby. The withdrawals was withdrawing. But anyways, y'all, I did a really good job on my budget this week. I did a really good job on working out, and so I'm really proud of myself. I hope if you guys have started any journey, whether it's budgeting, physical, mental, whatever it is, that you guys are doing great. I also started school last week, y'all, so I'm getting the swing of things, getting into things, you know, but I'm doing school as well. So I'm a triple thread at this point. I was trying to put a TH in the triple, child. I'm a triple thread at this point. School, gym, and budgeting. Oh my God. Oh, girl, you're doing a lot. But you know, I'm doing enough. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you an insight of, baby, track your expenses, because otherwise we be out here just broke. Talk about it. We be out here just broke. But yeah. And also, y'all, make sure y'all vote, okay? Especially the people who are Americans who are watching this. I believe you are doing yourself a disservice by not voting. So make sure that you vote. The election is coming up. Make sure you pay attention to your local elections because they're important, but also this is the presidential election this year, so the national election, so there's that. But register to vote, go and vote. You have a responsibility for yourself to your country. Really, you voting for yourself to your country, y'all. So make sure you be an informed voter, register to vote, and go ahead and do your thing, okay? So my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.